family movie night.
There you
And
are.
Royce.
I've been searching
Oh
everywhere
no,
for you
don't
guys.
cry, Royce. You've been watching outside so happy.
Coming in nice, huh?
And Royce has been watching the trees outside. Uh-oh.
Anyhow, just wanted to say,
He
we
isn't
shouldn't have
looking at
split.
that.
The crown is all yours. I'll miss you, but I think it's for the best.
Holding out on us again. Hey, Ryder.
What?
We heard you found something. Something much more valuable than a crown. We want her instead.
I love how Tangled is in the background of this.
Nice.
Yeah, baby girl. I'm just videotaping your brother. Well,
He did.
What? No, he wouldn't.
See for yourself.
Faye, you wanna go? Where are you going, baby girl? Aww.
Eugene!
Fifi, what do you have in your hand, honey bunny?
A crown for the girl.
Is that a toy for Royce?
Yes.
How much do you think someone
Yeah?
would pay to stay young and healthy forever?
Please. No. No. Rapunzel! Mother.
Oh, my precious girl. Mother. Are you all right? Are you hurt? How did you? I was so worried.
He was like, you don't have any milk for me.
And I saw them attack you. Let's go before they come to.
Hello, Green Stripe.
That means you're fishy.
Is it time to change your diaper? I love the Kiki. It's so cute.
Kiki.
No, don't cry. Faye, do you want to kiss his cappy? That's so sweet. Roycey.
Mommy, I love when Ricky puts his finger up there.
She didn't say anything, and